Good evening, Georgians. Tonight on Georgia Public Broadcasting, we have a special report brought to you by your host, Ava Johnson. And tonight we will be focusing and touching bases on a local scientist and activist that believes Atlanta might be in desperate need of transportation reform. It's no secret, when it comes to tedious traffic, Atlanta is truly in a league of its own. Well, maybe not in its own. The city has actually slipped out of the top 10 recently, ranking at number 11 in 2018. In comparison to other traffic-prone cities within the United States, according to INRX, the world leader in transportation analytics and connected car services. To be fair, this is a noticeable improvement. Over the last 2 years, Atlanta has ranked as number 4 amongst the list. Over the past few decades, both Atlanta natives and newcomers have seen the continuous construction and addition of new highways within the area. However, many commuters have expressed concerns this simply isn't enough, often emphasizing their desire to expand public transportation accessibility. However, these frustrations don't always translate into change. In 2015, Metropolitan Atlanta Rapid Transit Authority, otherwise known as MARTA, released a comprehensive study with hopes of increasing their usership on the heels of an upcoming public transportation referendum vote.
MARTA is taking steps to get people out of their car and onto the rail and bus systems. In order to help us convert non-riders to riders, we hired a research firm to do a little digging. We conducted internal interviews at MARTA, external focus groups, and resident surveys among riders and non-riders to help us answer the following questions. What do people think of MARTA? What drives their current mode choices? What would make them consider using MARTA or using it more often?
Despite MARTA's intense efforts, voters in local counties that would be affected by the expansion, such as Gwinnett County here in Georgia, dismissed the proposal again for the third time. While there are several obvious reasons why it would be helpful to spend less time in traffic, one local Georgia Tech professor and climate scientist believes there are far more dire concerns for Atlantans to act now. During a public forum dedicated to climate change, the professor addressed the audience.
That's all? Really? That's all you got? But that's kind of what we can say broadly about the climate change discussion in Congress right now. It's shifted dramatically. We have people in Georgia, Congress people in Georgia, including Betty Carter down the coast, who flipped from saying, climate change is real, this is a hoax, to now all the talking points this year are climate change is real, it's a threat to our communities, and we have to prepare.
When our news anchor asks if attention should be focused on increasing railway stations or alternative transportation options throughout the city, such as biking and carpool lanes, the scientist interrupted, saying,
"Forced to choose." So again, that's a false choice. So you have to hold City Hall to providing safe pedestrian light infrastructure for those who choose that mode. And then we need to make sure that when we screen for that, they are also screening for public transit as well. Because that's got to be the holistic solution for providing as many options to both public transportation as we can. So
many Atlantans remain hopeful that the days of inching through 285, 75, and Highway 85 are close to being over, and that we're going to adapt a new method that's going to be more conducive to a healthier lifestyle and also conducive to a healthier environment overall. This has been Ava Johnson, and thank you for watching Georgia Public Broadcast.